Absolutely. Well, we, as you say, we operate on a small scale or a large scale. So we've got people to go in and do little jobs. Our engineers will do little jobs here and there as and where they're required. Or when a client comes to us and says, a prime example, in fact, was a client recently came to us with a property that they'd had handed down to them. It was a very good location, perfect for student letting, and more importantly, they'd actually paid various different tradesmen to come in and do work. For example, one where they had 2 huge chimney stacks. Now those chimney stacks, they paid somebody £10,000 to come, put some scaffolding up, go up there, assess the problem and fix it. They put the scaffolding up, they painted some water-resistant paint on a chimney with prevailing South Westerly winds beating at it, and they dropped the scaffolding and said, job done, and when the leak carried on, they were nowhere to be found. You don't get that with us. So what we do is, particularly for this client, we went in there and we priced every section of the job. We did construction phase plan as well as CDM compliance, which is the new regulations, they've been in for a wee while now. We do the full thing, project management, right down to design. So we had our architect, because we had to pull apart a lot of the rooms to rejig everything to allow for an 8-bed HMO. We also had to re-erect scaffolding around the whole property. A lot of health and safety work went into it as well. And from a point of view of the chimneys that have had some weather shield painted on them, they were actually swaying in the wind. And they were cracking and allowing the amount of water with the rain we have, unfortunately, in Swansea and Wales. We had water coming down 3 floors. So there was an element of time was of the essence with it, because one, to prohibit further more serious damage throughout the property, like wet rot turning dry rot, etc. But also we were approached in April. By the time the decision was made, it was more towards the June time, and we had 2 months to convert a tired residential property with some serious issues to a luxury HMO for students within 8 weeks. And we did it, and it was by hook or by crook, but we did it. And we brought together, coming back to the big and the small, as I say, we do the small work, but this one we brought together all of our tradespeople and we put them on site with a plan. So phase 1 was to do the pull out, the hacking off of the destroyed plaster from the leaks. Phase 2 was to put everything back. Phase 3, fire door work, redecoration, right through to stripping back bare wood flooring, re-oiling. So we brought together a team of about 8 or 9 on that particular project, and we got the job done. So, we literally can handle anything in size.